Welcome, today in front of me Xiaomi POCO M3 Pro, and I'll show you how to check battery health with Ampere app on this device. So first we have to get the Ampere application from our Play Store. So now just launch the Play Store application, and here in the search bar type enter Ampere. Now we have to get this application, so tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while application installing on your device. Now just click to open. Here click yes, I agree, click close, and on the left down corner tap to OK. And as can you see, here we got the information about our battery, and we're interested in the health. And this, can you see, the health of our battery is good. Also we got here more information about our level of our battery, about the capacity, temperature. Also we got here the model of our device, an Android version, and more other info. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.